Well, since we can't show you, we're just gonna have to tell you. Here's what I'm talking about. Shortly after this clip was shot, the video batteries went dead. So what you didn't get a chance to see was the part where authorities opened up the barrel and solved the missing rodeo clown case. Sure, this clip of a bunny taking cards out of these players' hands seems amusing enough. But after the batteries drained, security at Harrah's rushed in and cuffed the animal for card counting. All right, what we're seeing here is an amusing clip of a pony knocking around a plastic bucket. What we're not seeing is the little kid on the beach crying and holding a little shovel. Now here's a clip that's a lot of fun to watch. But what you're not seeing is the part where the cops show up and question this lady because neither the kid nor the family has any idea who she is. Here we see some nice footage of a family of hippos enjoying the water. What you're not seeing is the look on the faces of the Hillcrest High School swim team who showed up moments later for practice. I know what you're saying. Cool clip. This is nothing compared to what happened later when the pool guy checked the pooch's pH level. Here's a nice enough clip. But what you're not seeing is the scene later on when an army of angry senior citizens came around looking for their missing shuffleboard pug. Now it's time for